Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new session. Today, we'll revise about ascending and descending of numbers. I hope you all remember what is ascending of numbers and descending of numbers. Ascending order means going from a smaller number to a bigger number. Like when we climb the stairs, we go from smaller number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go on, that is ascending order. And descending means going from a bigger number to a smaller number, like when we come down from the stairs, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, we do like a backward counting. So this is descending of numbers. First, we'll arrange the numbers in ascending order. I have my first question there on my screen. Can you see? 478, 246, 498, 345. Now, when we go for ascending order, first we look at the number from the hundreds place. Now, when we look at the number on the hundreds place, which number is the smallest? Can you see which number is the smallest? Yes, 246. So first we'll write down 246. Now what comes after 246? The number is 345. Now when we go to the third number, now we have two numbers having 4 at hundreds place. Now how we'll see which number to come next? We'll move to the tens column. When we look at the tens column, in the first number we have 478, and in the second number we have 498. Now 7 is smaller than 9, so 478 will come first. Then which is a bigger number? The bigger number is 498. Done? Very good. You can do this along with me. You can take out your rough notebooks. When I'll show you the question, you can write it along with me and you can practice. Now I have my second question that is there on my screen. Yes. Now, which is the smallest number? Start looking from the hundreds place. 124 is the smallest number. So we'll write down 124 first. Now, which is a bigger number? Which is the next number that comes after 124? This is 378. Now, again we have two numbers that has same numbers in the hundreds place. We have 8 at the hundreds place. So what we'll do? We'll move to the tens place. When we look at the tens place, we see that in 845, 4 is there at the tens place. And in 812, 1 is there at the tens place. So which number is smaller? Is it 845 or 812? Yes, it is 812. Now, which is a bigger number now? It is 845. That's really good. You can do these sums and show it to somebody who's sitting next to you or show it to your parents. Now, I have a third question that is there on my screen. 347, 123, 674 and 258. Now, can you see which is the smallest number? Look at the hundreds place. Is it 3? Is it 347? No. Then which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 123. Good. Now, what comes after 123? 258. Very good. Now, what comes after 258? It is 347. And which is a bigger number? The bigger number is 674. Wow, that's really very nice. Now I have one more question that is there on my screen. I have the numbers 661, 245, 379 and 941. Now which is the smallest number among these four numbers? Look at the hundreds place. It is 245. Now what comes after 245? It is 379. Now what comes after 379? Is it 941? No, it is 661. Now which is a bigger number? It is 941. Now this is really very good. Similarly, you can do this by ascending or you can do by descending order. In descending order, we go from a bigger number to a smaller number. Now I have my first question that is there on my screen. In this also, you will start looking at the hundreds place first. Now look at the hundreds place. I have few numbers, that is 127, 648, 237 and 845. Now which is a bigger number? Is it 648? Look at the hundreds place first. And we have to find out the bigger number. The bigger number is 845. Now, which number is smaller than 845? It is 648. Now, which number is smaller than 648? It is 237. Now, which number is smaller than 237? 127. That's good. Now, I have a second question that is there on my screen. You can do it along with me. I'll give you time. Now, look at the bigger number first. Which is a bigger number among these four numbers? I have numbers like 348, 649, 125 and 743. Now which is a bigger number? It is 743. Now what comes before 743? It is 649. Now what comes before 649? This is 348. And what comes before 348? Which is the smallest number among these four numbers? Yes, it is 125. That's really very good. Now I have my third question that is there on my screen. Remember, you have to do descending order. In descending order, you have to write the bigger number first. Now what is a bigger number? Yes, it's 975. Now what comes before 975? Is it 129? No, it is 364. Yes. Now, can you see still there are two numbers who had 1 at the hundredth place? Remember what we'll do now? Now we'll look at the tens place. Oh, now the tens number is also same. Now what we'll do? We'll look at the ones place. Now, when we look at the ones place, we have 4, 124 and 129. Now, which is smaller? Which is bigger number among these two? It is 129. So after 364, we'll write down 129. And which is a smaller number that is being left? It is 124. Done? Good. Now, look at the fourth question. I have numbers 124, 348, 675 and 458. Now, which is a bigger number? Yes, it's 675. Now, what comes before 675? Is it 348 or 458? Yes, it's 458. Now, what comes before 458? It is 348. And which is the smallest number among these four numbers? The smallest number is 124. That's really very good. Now, I have this practice sheet with me. I'll do one sums in this practice sheet, and rest I'll send you on Snap homework. You will do it on your own. Okay. Now, my first question is, we have to arrange in ascending order. Keep this in mind that when we are talking about ascending order means going from a smaller number to a bigger number. Now, can you see there are few numbers that are written on the screen? It is 333, 777, 719, 202 and 343. Now, which is the smallest number? Look at the hundreds place first. The smallest number is 202. Now, what comes after 202? It is 333. And what comes after 333? It's 343. And then we have two numbers left, that is 777 and 719. Now, among these two numbers, which is the smallest number? It's 719. And which is a bigger number left now? It is 777. That is really very good. Now, look at the second question, arrange in descending order. Descending order means going from a bigger number to a smaller number. Now, can you see there are few numbers? 919, 999, 803, 878 and 702. Now what we have to do? We have to first find out the bigger number. Now, which is a bigger number? It is 999. What comes before 999? It is 919. Now, what comes before 919? It is 878. And what comes before 878? 803. And which is the smallest number among these five numbers? It is 702. That's really very good. Now you will do rest of the questions by your own and show it to somebody who's sitting next to you or who is teaching you, or maybe your parents. Okay. I also have some homework for you, and you'll do this homework in your notebooks. Okay. I'll send these slides on the Snap homework. What you have to do, you have to arrange in ascending order. I have 4 questions that are there with me, and you have to arrange them in ascending order. Similarly, I have one more slide where we have to arrange them in descending order. In this also, I have 4 questions that is there with me, and you have to do it in your notebooks and then show it to somebody who's there with you. I hope you have you had a good recap on ascending and descending order. You can practice this at home with your parents. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.